Hello children, how are you? Myself Nahid Parveen, your EVS teacher from Monbrescia School, Dhanbad. So children, today we will continue National Festival. As we had already started National Festival, today we will continue that only. Okay? So all of you take out your EVS book. Now see children, our next topic is Independence Day. Okay? Every year on 15th of August, we celebrate our Independence Day. When we celebrate every year on 15th of August, okay, we celebrate our Independence Day. India got independence from British rule on this day. On this day means on 15th of August, India got independence from British rule. Okay, means India got its freedom means azadi from the British rule and became an independent country on the 15th of August 1947. So this day is celebrated as Independence Day every year across the nation. Okay, it is celebrated in the national capital at huge level to commemorate the struggle of freedom. Commemorate means manana, स्मरण करना, याद करना, the struggle of the freedom fighters. Okay, now see, it is also celebrated as a mark of respect and tribute to the people who sacrificed their lives to gain freedom for their country. It is marked with the unfurling of, okay, it is celebrated in the national capital at huge level to commemorate the struggle of the freedom fighters. Commemorate, as I explained you, commemorate means मनाना, स्मरण करना. ओके, द स्ट्रगल मीन्स संघर्ष जो हमारे स्वतंत्रता सेनानी ने किया था हमें आज़ादी दिलवाने के लिए. ओके, नाउ everywhere our national flag is hoisted and patriotic songs are sung. Means everywhere means across the nation our national flag is hoisted means फहरता है उस दिन, and patriotic songs, patriotic means देशभक्ति गीत, are sung. The prime minister addresses the nation. Prime minister, who is the prime minister? Yes, Narendra Modi, प्रधानमंत्री. Okay, the prime minister addresses the nation from the ramparts of the Red Fort. He hoists the national flag and gives a speech on country's development in different fields during the year. Okay, it is marked with the unfurling of national flag by the PM and singing of national anthem. Okay, national anthem. On the eve of Independence Day, the president of country addresses the nation on national television. Okay, the president of our country addresses the nation on national television on this day. Okay, school, colleges, private and public offices also hoist the national flag and pay homage to the freedom fighters. Okay, okay, homage means श्रद्धांजलि. Okay, श्रद्धांजलि देते हैं किसे? फ्रीडम फाइटर्स मीन्स स्वतंत्रता सेनानी को. Okay, now children, on this day children celebrate the Independence Day with great pride and honor. Pride means गौरव, अभिमान से, and honor means आदर, सम्मान, carrying small flags in their hands. Okay, this day is celebrated by small children with great pride and honor, carrying small flags in their hands. Patriotic songs are played everywhere at the school, colleges, radios, television, etc. Many cultural programs also organized across the nation to remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. Okay, as responsible citizens, we must value this independence and work for the development of our country. As responsible citizens means एक जिम्मेदार नागरिक होने के नाते we must value or understand the meaning of this independence and work for the development of our country. So India was under the British rule for around 200 years. Okay, then great freedom fighters, like who was our great freedom fighters, जिसने हमारे देश को आज़ाद करवाया था ब्रिटिश रूल से? महात्मा गांधी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, लोकमान्य तिलक, भगत सिंह, नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस. ओके. डिवोटेड देयर एंटायर लाइफ फॉर द फ्रीडम ऑफ आवर कंट्री. ये सब जो थे, ये सब क्या किए, ये सब अपना पूरा ज़िंदगी जो है हमें आज़ादी दिलवाने के लिए लड़ते रहे. ओके. सो टुडे वी आर लिविंग इन फ्री इंडिया बिकॉज ऑफ देयर सेक्रीफाइसेस ओनली. ओके. Okay children, now your homework is read chapter 8 up to dot. Thank you.